Camp Nou is once again showing why this project is so special, with progress happening across multiple areas at the same time. Every update brings something new, but today's one feels even more exciting. From world-class locker rooms to major roof progress and important interior work, everything is moving forward. This is not just construction, this is the future of one of football's greatest stadiums taking shape right in front of us. Let's get into it. The third-tier seating is now almost fully complete, reaching around 99% progress, with only minor finishing work remaining, mainly in concrete detailing. Structurally, the entire upper seating bowl is now clearly visible, and with one of the final sections recently installed, this phase is now entering its final stage. The full roof structure is expected to be completed by 2027, marking a key milestone in the overall project timeline. The stadium is now clearly beginning to match its original design vision. The VIP ring is advancing rapidly and remains a priority area. Interior work is underway, including wall divisions, plasterboard installation, and preparation for key functional spaces. This section plays a major role in both the structure and the future operations of the stadium. We arrived at the perfect moment as another section of the ring was being lifted into place on the south side, continuing steady progress of the structure. This marks around the 12th section installed, with work now moving from the north towards the south end as the pace picks up again. You can see the crane carefully guiding the massive piece into position between the radial beams with controlled, precise movement. Despite weighing tons, the section is smoothly adjusted in the air before being fixed into place with great coordination on site. Step by step, the ring is closing, and the vision of the final roof is becoming more real with every installation. The locker rooms are where things get truly exciting. The latest updates reveal a space that is not just modern, but completely world-class in every sense. Once completed, this area will cover more than 800 square meters, which is massive compared to most football clubs. It shows the level of environment that stands at the very top of European football. On the compression ring, another piece has been installed, bringing the total to around 11 sections so far, with progress continuing at a steady pace. In the VIP areas, the first ring is already showing glass and facade development, while the second ring is still in early structural stages. These differences are becoming clearer over time, as both levels gradually take shape with distinct designs in progress. Inside the stadium, one of the most complex tasks is currently underway: the electrical cable installation. It may not be the most visible work, but it is absolutely essential. Given the size of Camp Nou, installing a full electrical system is a huge challenge. It requires time, precision, and careful planning across every section. Right now, the work is progressing steadily, connecting different areas and preparing the stadium for lighting, broadcasting, safety systems, and much more. We can now see clear progress on the Messiah ramp area, where a truck has just finished unloading material. The ground crew is actively leveling and smoothing the surface, and there is now only a small section left before it reaches the final exit level of the park. It looks like this area will soon be fully aligned and completed, matching the surrounding ground level for vehicle access and movement. When you look at the full picture, it's clear that something extraordinary is being built here. Every section of the stadium is moving forward with purpose. From the massive locker rooms to the rising roof and the developing VIP areas, everything is coming together step by step. This isn't just progress, it's the creation of a world-class stadium that aims to be the very best. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and stay with us, because in the next update, we'll take you even deeper inside Camp Nou with exclusive behind-the-scenes progress. Visca El Barça.